Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is Hurun India Rich List. Recently, Hurun India Rich List 2024 has been released. The key highlights of this year's list are Adani Group Chairman Gautam Adani replaced Reliance Industries Chairman and Managing Director Mukesh Ambani to become the richest Indian. Gautam Adani's net worth shot up 95% to 11.6 lakh crore rupees in 2024, which helped him replace Mukesh Ambani. Reliance Industries Chairman and Managing Director Mukesh Ambani's overall net worth increased by 25% to 10.14 lakh crore rupees in 2024, making him the second richest Indian. Shiv Nadar and the family of HCL gained one spot to be the third richest with a net worth of 3.14 lakh crore rupees. While Chairman of Serum Institute of India Cyrus Poonawalla slipped by one notch to the fourth place with a net worth of rupees 2.89 lakh crore in 2024. Sun Pharmaceuticals Chairman Dilip Sanghvi secured the fifth richest Indian tag against sixth last year with a worth of rupees 2.50 lakh crore in 2024. Kumar Mangalam Birla and family is the sixth wealthiest family in India with a net worth of rupees 2.35 lakh crore, while Gopichand Hinduja and family is seventh richest with a net worth of rupees 1.92 lakh crore. Now let's discuss about Hurun India Rich List. Hurun India Rich List was launched in 2012 by Anas Rahman Junaid. Hurun India Rich List is in pursuit of celebrating stories of India's wealth creation, innovation and philanthropy. The 5 core principles of Hurun India are philanthropy, wealth, lifestyle, art and value. While Hurun Global was established in 1998 in London with a presence in India, China, France, UK, USA, Australia, Japan, Canada and Luxembourg. Now is the time for practice question. Recently, Hurun India Rich List 2024 has been released. According to the list, who is not among the top 5 wealthiest in India? Gautam Adani, Mukesh Ambani, Shiv Nadar or Kumar Mangalam Birla? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.